Come here, come get the ball. That's where you have to kick the ball into. Good job, Brady. Good job. It's our first day of Little Kickers soccer. And these are our first few seconds on the field. I think he likes it. Good job, Brady. That's okay, bud. Good job. You're tough. Yeah, kick it. Show mommy how you kick. Good job. Kick it in the goal or in the net.